Hi everyone. Nimeona tags mingi kutoka MCP, kutoka Kigumo Reloaded, kutoka Facebook, marafiki zangu. I'm okay. Uh, it has been a tough night and we accept the results. Though the results were won through violence. But anyway, we pulled a very good fight in Mbeere North. I want to congratulate our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. I want to say the man is an exception. He pulled a good fight in Mbeere North. And we still live to fight another day. Clearly, the state-sponsored violence won at the end of the day. There is nothing we could have done because the state is the custodian of violence. And we accept and move on to the next phase. We are headed to the holidays, the December holidays. And we meet in January. I want to specifically thank all those leaders who are in Mbeere North from our side. The Honorable Jonyoto, our senator. The Honorable Jamre Kamau, our incoming governor. All the leaders, the likes of John Melo, the likes of Kagushia, the likes of Akina Pelagia, Akina Liz, and all those leaders. I want to say that we have to brace ourselves. At least we have learned. We have picked one or two lessons. And we know how what await hapo mbele. So hata si tutajipanga. We have seen, we have learned. It was a very good running session. Equally, I want to congratulate our party, DCP, being very young, 7-month-old. We have an MCA, Honorable Maskonde, in Narok. Despite all the intimidation, violence, he managed to win that seat. Kisa East, in Quisero constituency. I want to specifically thank our deputy party leader, Honorable Malala, for delivering that seat. And finally, the Nairobi team led by Gakuya